The Venera 4 mission was a Soviet space probe poised to make history, with the first ever attempt to land on another planet, Venus. At the time, little was known about this mysterious planet, but scientists believed that beneath its thick cloud cover, Venus might resemble Earth, with a similar atmospheric pressure and Earth-like temperatures. However, they had no idea what the probe was about to face. As Venera 4 entered Venus's atmosphere at a speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour, its parachute deployed, and it began transmitting data. Early readings showed atmospheric pressure similar to Earth's, and temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. But as it descended deeper into the atmosphere, things began to go wrong. The pressure rapidly increased from 1 atmosphere to 10, then 20, while the temperature soared past 200 degrees Celsius. Finally, the probe was overwhelmed, and all communication was lost. The last data it sent revealed that the atmosphere of Venus was 22 times thicker and 250 degrees Celsius hotter than Earth's. This was a harsh and unforgiving world, but the Soviets were undeterred, more determined than ever to reach the surface. The early Venera space probes were simple in design. The landers consisted of a 1-meter wide titanium sphere, pressurized to withstand around 25 atmospheres, with basic scientific instruments to analyze the atmosphere, and a battery for power during descent. The probes had no thrusters, relying on drag, and parachutes to slow their fall. However, the thick Venusian atmosphere turned out to be a major challenge. Instead of falling quickly, Venera 4 descended too slowly, at just 18 kilometers per hour, due to the dense air. This prolonged exposure to the heat and pressure for 90 minutes led to the lander being crushed. The Soviets quickly recognized the problem and rethought their strategy to reach Venus's surface before the lander was destroyed. They redesigned the space probe to fall faster through the atmosphere. They introduced a parachute system that delayed deployment, allowing the probe to descend more quickly. The parachute material was designed to melt at 200 degrees Celsius, preventing it from opening too soon. They also reinforced the probe's walls, doubling their thickness to withstand up to 180 atmospheres of pressure. Venera 7 was the next attempt. As it entered Venus's atmosphere, it slowed and deployed its parachute, which then functioned as designed, allowing the probe to fall more rapidly. However, the parachute tore apart just 3 kilometers from the surface, and the probe crashed at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The Soviets feared they had failed again, but weeks later, they discovered that a faint signal had continued transmitting for 23 minutes after the crash. It turned out the lander had survived, but had landed on its side. The next step was Venera 8. The most important innovation on Venera 9 was the camera dot system. Two movable cameras were mounted on the lander, capable of taking a 360-degree panorama of Venus's surface. The cameras were housed in the lander's pressure vessel, and two periscopes extended through the thick dot pressure window to allow for a wide-angle view. Each camera had large lens caps that were designed to pop off once the lander landed. Future Venera missions like Venera 14 improved on this technology. Venera 14 also carried a microphone and the following audio clip is the real sound of the probe landing on Venus, along with an instrument drilling into the surface. The Soviets successfully landed on Venus a total of 8 times, sending back incredible images and valuable scientific data about this enigmatic planet. These achievements remain unmatched even after 50 years. And now, to wrap up, we're offering a giveaway. The winner of the previous giveaway is David. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.